In just seconds, flash floods and landslides destroyed for regions in Sumatra, Padang, ESA, South Tapanuli, and Sibolga. Days of relentless rain turned into a disaster no one could escape. Thousands of homes were shattered. Public facilities collapsed. Logistical access was completely cut off. From day 1 to day 5, aid has still not reached most areas because roads remain blocked violently. Day by day, survivors are fighting through fear, hunger, and uncertainty. They didn't just lose their belongings, they lost access to basic survival. But even in the hardest moment, there is still hope. Your support can be the lifeline they desperately need. Tap the donation button now before the situation becomes even worse.